First, Corey Taylor took shots at Machine Gun Kelly without explicitly saying his name. Then Machine Gun Kelly took shots at Slipknot at a festival where the two were playing at the same time. Now Corey Taylor and MGK are involved in a minor feud that is entertaining and playing out on Twitter. Corey Taylor made this statement originally. You know the band they're ripping off, they're not even trying to rip off a bunch of bands. They're ripping off one band, but the younger generation picks them up and says, this is our blah blah blah, because they're tired of old people telling them that the music that came out before them was better. And I don't know who's right, but I know both are wrong, because we should be encouraging everything. Taylor recognized he's just a big old grumpy grandpa and further stated, I hate all new rock for the most part. I hate the artists who failed in one genre and decided to go rock, and I think he knows who he is, most likely referring to Machine Gun Kelly, who started his career doing pop rap and released a pop punk album recently. I'm just as bad. I'm the worst old fogey dude shaking his cane ever, and I hate everything. I hate all new rock for the most part. I hate the artists who failed in one genre and decided to go rock, and I think he knows who he is, but that's another story. I'm the worst, and I hate everything, and people are used to that with me though. But I have also encouraged the younger generation to think past the boundaries of what we listen to. Do something that feels fresh. It may not have to sound fresh, but it's gotta feel fresh. If it's dead, then people are gonna treat it as dead, man. Machine Gun Kelly did not take too kindly to Corey Taylor's words and responded by saying, hey, you all know what I'm really happy that I'm not doing? Being 50 years old wearing a fucking weird mask on a fucking stage, fucking shit. So anybody, what's everyone's favorite candy? Reese's Pieces? Honestly, Machine Gun Kelly loves taking shots at legends. The way that MGK drums up attention is to challenge stars who are bigger than him, and why not? It works. We are writing this article about MGK, and now many of Slipknot's fans are getting introduced to MGK's music. MGK did the same thing with Eminem, and it seems to be a new trend with him. Now Corey Taylor and Machine Gun Kelly are engaging each other on Twitter. Here is what Taylor tweeted. Then MGK commented back, apparently MGK wanted Corey Taylor on his new song, and Corey Taylor politely rejected his offer. Now MGK is saying that Corey Taylor's verse was bad, and that is why he told him to rewrite it. MGK seemed a little butthurt. Who wouldn't want the legendary Corey Taylor on their album? Let's see whose track record is better, Corey Taylor or MGK. In my opinion, Corey Taylor is one of the best songwriters in modern music. MGK is alright, but he's kind of copying Blink-182. Slipknot pioneered a new sound in nu metal that is still resonating today. Slipknot is still going strong. But what does that matter? I'm sure MGK knows this, and it's just trolling. MGK will continue to challenge legends because that's what MGK does. What do you think? Whose team are you on? Team Corey or Team Machine Gun?